I'm Sushmita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to share with you a special news. I've got a new studio. Yes, not too far from my house, just 2 buildings away. It's very great, isn't it? Yes, I'm so excited that I want to share everything with you, and I would love to share what I did, how I set up my wall with you. So here's my first studio vlog. The theme I came up with was boho theme because the house is very old and I thought that would go well with this. And everything that I've used to set up this space, I will put a link down in the description. Do like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you get every notification when I post a new vlog. Now sit back and relax. Enjoy the rest of the video. See you later.